Please subscribe Vishwas Easy Learning channel and press bell icon. Thank you.
Welcome friends in our famous channel Vishwas Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about this sentence in very simple and easy technique. So watch this video very carefully. So you know about letters and words. So what is the sentence? The collection of meaningful words which create a sense is called sentence. A sentence has mainly two parts. First one is the subject and second one is the predicate. So subject means karta, means uddesha vishay, and the predicate means vidheya. So what is the definition of subject? It is a part of the sentence about which something is said, or subject means doer. म्हणजे ज्याच्याबद्दल वाक्य बोललं जातं किंवा जी कृती दर्शवली जाते त्याला सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे उद्देश असं म्हणतात. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स डुअर, मीन्स करता. अँड व्हॉट इज मीन बाय प्रेडिकेट? प्रेडिकेट मीन्स विधेय. द वर्ड विच सेज समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेट. आणि ज्या कर्त्याबद्दल एखादी घटना किंवा एखादी कृती सांगितली जाते तेव्हा त्याला प्रेडिकेट म्हणजेच विधेय असं म्हणतात. When we see some examples regarding with subject and predicate, you can identify easily. So first example is Ram likes reading. In this sentence, Ram is a subject and remaining part of the sentence is a predicate. Means likes reading is predicate. In second sentence, students take part in sports and games. In second sentence, students is a subject and remaining part of the sentence means take part in sports and games is predicate. Now third sentence, Amit is a good boy. Who is a good boy? Amit. So Amit is a subject and is a good boy is a predicate. Now fourth example, trees protect us. In this sentence, trees is the subject and protect us is the predicate. So this is the subject and predicate information I have indicated in this lesson. Now next, after the sentence we are going to learn about the phrase. So what is meant by phrase? Phrase is a group of words which make sense. जेव्हा शब्दांना एक अर्थ प्राप्त होतो तेव्हा त्या शब्दसमूहाला फ्रेज म्हणतात. त्यालाच मराठीत वाक्प्रचार देखील म्हणतात किंवा वाक्यांश देखील म्हणतात. सो देअर आर डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रेजेस. देअर आर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रेजेस. विच आर दे? जस्ट लिसन. फर्स्ट वन इज नाउन फ्रेज. So what is meant by noun phrase? It is phrase that tells something about the noun used in the phrase. या फ्रेजमध्ये नामाबद्दलची माहिती दर्शवली जाते. So when we see some examples related with noun phrase, you can understand easily. So in first sentence, a beautiful girl. A beautiful girl. Girl is a underlined word and girl is a noun. But related with girl, beautiful word, so it is called noun phrase. A young man. Man is underlined word, but before that man, young is an adjective, but it is giving information about the noun, so it is called noun phrase. And third sentence, a red rose. Rose is underlined word. Rose is a noun, but before that rose there is a word red, and red is an adjective, but it is giving information about noun, so it is called noun phrase. Now next type of phrase is prepositional phrase. Preposition means shabdyogi अव्यय. Which word gives the information of position, so it is called preposition. The phrase which begins with preposition, म्हणजे ज्या फ्रेजची सुरुवात प्रिपोजिशनने होते, शब्दयोगी अव्ययाने होते, and says something about the noun is called prepositional phrase. आणि जे नामाबद्दल काहीतरी सांगते त्याला prepositional phrase असं म्हणतात. So first example is near the police station. Police station is a noun, but near is preposition, so it is called prepositional phrase. Second sentence, behind the door. Door is a noun, but behind is a preposition. So it is called prepositional phrase. Third example, across the street. रस्त्या पलीकडे. The street is a noun, but across is preposition. So it is called prepositional phrase. And fourth example, in the forest. Forest is a noun, but in is preposition. So it is called prepositional phrase. And third kind of phrase is adjective phrase. So what is this adjective phrase? The phrase which works as an adjective is called adjective phrase. जे फ्रेज किंवा जे शब्द संच एका विशेषणाप्रमाणे कार्य करतो तेव्हा त्या फ्रेजला किंवा त्या वाक्प्रचाराला विशेषणात्मक वाक्प्रचार असं म्हणतात. So when we see some examples related with adjective phrase, you can understand easily. First example, very big. Big is adjective, but before that big, very word shows the adjective phrase. Second sentence, very beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective, but before that beautiful, very word giving information about adjective phrase. Third sentence, too away. Away is adjective, but before that away, two word showing the information of adjective phrase. Now it is enough for this content. I hope that you understood all the content related with sentence and the phrase very well. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, because our channel gives you more and more knowledge